Hello, welcome to our vlog.
Okay, so the little one here is looking at this card. Alligators over here. He sees two of them. Yes. I'm not sure if you can see it, but over here, yeah, there it is. The monkey. Or ape. This one here, white and lion is there. Belok kiri. Ya, lurus. I don't know where he is going. I'm just following. This little boy is on a mission. Oh, I know. He's following the line, the track. Oi, Ezra Boo! Ezra, come here! Okay, he's on his mission. Come, let's go find Mommy and Coco, okay? Okay, come, go to Mommy. There's the tiger. I think afternoon, or having an afternoon nap. Oh, tilapia. It's climbing. It's the same turtle. So over here, those are the wild monkeys.
Oh no, they're having
Yeah, they took people's food. No? So those are the wild monkeys. And there is a turtle showing his butt. Let me see, there's one more swimming over there. There it is. Okay, so we are here. The hippo is just beyond there. You see the hippo there. Those are the pygmy hippos. I have Zion over there. He's eyeing the juice machine. Hello, hippo. Okay, after the pygmy hippo will be Australasia. Here we will see the kangaroos. Alright, I have a small boy here waiting. Come on. So, one here. Where is the other hidden big one? It's hiding behind there. And one more over here. So the big boy is doing his work there. The common emu. There are the kangaroos. Ladies are relaxing over there. Oh.
This morning, I'm interested with this.
Yeah, the baboon.
Gonna drink water over there. They have a lot of babies.
That is the closer view of the elephant.
Hello everybody.
It's a dinosaur. It's a chocolate.
Today we'll see this. Yummy. So first we're gonna say hi, mommy.
Hello.
Say hi, Ezra. Ezra. And we got this and this. The brownies, yum.
Yeah, it looks yum.
And in here is the slushy that I think I will enjoy. This is the mushroom soup bread, and like all the times are coconuts.
You like the marshmallow?
Now what? Now let's start eating.
Let's begin.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so here is the wife having her noodles. Slurp, slurp. Nice, huh? Yeah, she likes the noodles. Actually, the food here is good. So, he's having his noodles and fries. Yeah, so he's having fusion meal. Noodles, fries.
I love it so much.
And Zion is having some of his nuggets also. I bought him chicken rice. I'm having mutton biryani. The puffs is done. Those are the drinks. That's our dessert brownie. If we can't finish our food, we'll pack it up. So, alright, let's eat.
Alright, you can see the whistling sound is actually called a bridge. Every chance of the sound, everyone did it doing a good job. And by doing a good job, they'll be rewarded.
bite force.
Ducks. Tulog si Ezra.
And we are having a break. The wife finished ice cream already. Yeah, we share half. Then the other boy there is enjoying his ice cream or food. The other mom is awake.
You heard that? Hi, good morning, baby.
Zion, move over to my side. Is it a leopard?
These people in here.
I'll go have my privacy. Come here, Bob. He's just going round and round in circles. Exercise. There's the giraffe.
Mommy, look at the smaller giraffe. They are not so tall, but they are actually striped.
No lah, those are not giraffe.
Those are not giraffe, Papa. Where's the giraffe?
Can you see the rhinoceros? Oh, they're big. Come on, Dad. So he is satisfied. He had a second poop. We were running like two crazy cows like that, searching for the toilet. Now he's watching that, his usual educational stuff. We are at the gift shop and this is to exit the place or exit the zoo. Okay, so this is the Ezra ready for dinner. Zion is over on the sofa, relaxing, also ready. Tonight we are having slouching. We're having sapinos for dinner as requested. So here it is, and the wife just taking a shower. So, all right, did we have a fun day at the zoo? So it's time to Okay, time to eat. Say bye.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.